Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Airtable to Stripe, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Airtable account. Navigate to the table where you want to manage your Stripe data. Open a new browser tab and log into your Stripe account. In Stripe, locate the API section in the developer settings. Generate a new API key if you haven't done so already. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Return to your Airtable tab. Click on the Apps option in the upper right corner of your Airtable base. In the Apps sidebar, click on the plus Add an App button. Search for Stripe in the App Marketplace. Select the Stripe integration from the list of available apps. Click on the Add button to install the Stripe app. Once the app is installed, you'll see the configuration screen. Paste your Stripe API key into the designated field. Authorize the connection by clicking the Connect button. Choose the Airtable table where you want to send or receive data from Stripe. Configure the specific fields to map data between Airtable and Stripe. Select the actions you want to perform, such as creating a new customer or processing payments. Test your connection by creating a sample transaction. Check your Airtable base to ensure the data has been populated correctly. If everything looks good, finalize your setup. You have now successfully connected Airtable to Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.